Short, brief and to the point.
Dr. Saab.
Sir?
Dr. Saab.
Brief. Kishori sir?
Yes.
Brief and to the point.
My question is this. I went to see the picture, Khane Khuda. There was a session of 3 days. People, Haji Sahab, they were wearing sandalwoods. And then beside that, not eating any non-meat food. No haircut, nothing, a complete brahmachari or sannyasi. When the picture was over, I asked them, what is this? Those 3 days, complete renunciation, sannyasi, brahmachari, what reply they gave? He said, खाने खुदा था. मैंने कहा, मुसलमान भाइयों, सारा संसार खाने खुदा नहीं है, वही खाना खुदा है.
भाई साहब,
3 दिन आप रखते हो.
भाई साहब से क्वेश्चन जरा, भाई साहब हमारे चीफ गेस्ट को और हमारे स्पीकर्स को जानना. प्लीज पुट फॉरवर्ड योर क्वेश्चन.
सारा संसार खाने खुदा है. Please reply to me that those 3 days they were offering is khane khuda. What about the whole world is khane khuda? Why the killing should not be stopped everywhere, especially in India? This is my question.
So we will not allow that question. Sir, on the request of the chief guest and the speaker, will not allow that answer. Maybe have the...
Mr. Rashmi Bhai Zaveri requested the person to ask a question out of turn. I am willing to answer. I am willing to answer. If chairman says no, then I will. I would love to answer if you allow me. Okay. Anyway, I will control you. Nothing will go wrong.
Okay, we'll allow him, but a short this thing. What was the question? I didn't hear it.
I heard the question. I am supposed to answer. It's a very good question.
Okay, now quickly and a quick answer, then we'll allow the other gentleman.
It's a very good question.
Yes.
It's a very good question. It will not create problems. I believe though you all are vegetarians out here, we aren't that violent. It won't create problems, I take guarantee. I will not say something that will create violence. Yes, I know there are non-veg and veg meats in Ahmedabad and Gujarat and there were riots and all. Here, as far as I'm concerned, I speak logical, then nothing happened. The brother asked a very good question. He said that he had seen pilgrims going and for 3 days, they didn't have meat. They didn't have meat. It's on Islam. It's on Islam.
Why Islam allows like this? No, he's asked a question
on Islam. He's asking a question on Islam.
No, but that's non-veg.
Not asking on Jainism. What's the problem? Are you so much afraid that the answer will make him a non-veg? He will yet be a veg. No problem. I don't want you to become a non-veg. The brother asked a very good question, that why there don't you have non-veg? It's a misinformation. I've been for Hajj several times. Whoever told you a lie that we don't have non-veg. The rule out there is that in that sacred part, at that time, you cannot kill any animal for hunting. At that time only. But not eating non-veg. I have gone there. I eat non-veg. Who says you can't eat non-veg? Yes, we are dressed up in 2 pieces of unsewn cloth. You know why? You know why? Because it's the biggest annual gathering in the world. People come from America, from Canada, from India, from Pakistan, from Indonesia, all dressed up in 2 pieces of unsewn cloth. Identical. You cannot make out the person next to you whether he's a king or a pauper. For universal brotherhood. Not theoretical, practical. Universal brotherhood. When we offer salah shoulder to shoulder. We eat food, we eat together. We eat even non-veg. Where you got this from, I don't know. Whoever told you, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, he has told you total falsehood. I'm telling you. I've been for Hajj several times. I've been for Umrah. It's totally wrong. And for universal brotherhood, everyone comes there. So that you can make out people from various parts of the world. We have to be one brotherhood. Islamic brotherhood is that all human beings are brothers. And Muslims are brothers in faith.